In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Tally.so in just 5 minutes. Whether you're gathering feedback, conducting surveys, or collecting data, Tally.so makes form creation straightforward and efficient. First, let's dive right in by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Tally.so. Once you spot the correct link, go ahead and click on it to access Tally's homepage. Now that we're on the website, it's time to log in. Make sure you have your credentials handy and sign into your Tally account. If you're new to Tally, signing up is free and simple. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Once you're in, you'll notice a user-friendly dashboard in front of you. Here, look out for the New Form button prominently displayed. Clicking this will initiate the form creation process. You have two primary options to kick off your form design. If you're feeling creative and want to build something original, you can start from scratch by entering the form editor directly. However, Tally also provides an extensive library of templates. If you're looking for inspiration or a quick start, selecting the Use a Template option allows you to browse various pre-designed forms. Templates can be a time saver and offer a solid foundation to customize as you see fit. Inside the Tally editor, you'll find it functions much like a simple text document. You can add new blocks by clicking the plus icon or typing the / anywhere on the page. This intuitive feature helps you maintain a seamless workflow as you build your form. The variety of block options caters to all your form needs, from adding headings and paragraphs with text blocks to collecting brief inputs using short answer fields. Tally offers versatile options. Use long answer blocks for more substantial responses or multiple choice blocks to provide preset answers. For specific data collection, include email or phone number blocks dedicated to those inputs. To fine-tune each aspect of your form, click the vertical dots or beside a question block to reveal its settings. Within these settings, you can enforce questions as required, preset answers, format numbers, and even add images to multiple choice options. These settings offer precise controls to enhance the user experience. If your form requires intricate workflows, Tally also supplies advanced features. With conditional logic, you can display or hide sections based on users' responses, guiding their journey through the form. Implement calculations for real-time results and utilize answer piping to reflect previous inputs in future questions. Hidden fields are useful for collecting data discreetly without the user's awareness. Before wrapping up, it's crucial to preview your form. Click Preview to see your design through the eyes of your respondents. Ensure everything looks perfect and functions smoothly. Once you've done your checks and are satisfied, hit Publish. This will generate a shareable link ready to distribute to your audience. Congratulations! You've just created a professional form in Tally. So with ease and efficiency.